in the diagram below, angle PQR is equal to 125 degrees. That is this angle here, PQR. Then angle QRS is equal to R. That is QRS is equal to R. RST is equal to 80 degrees. This is angle RST. RST is 80 degrees. STU is equal to 44 degrees. That is this angle here. STU is 44 degrees. From this information, we are asked to calculate the value of R. This is WASSCE 2010 question, theory part 1, number 3A. So, the first thing we need to do in solving for the value of R here is to reproduce this line. Reproduce this line because we are told from the information here that PQ is parallel to UT with what you are seeing here. That's to say that PQ is parallel to UT. So the next thing we need to do is to divide this R into 2 in such a way that the line is parallel to PQ. Let's label this one W. With what we now have here, what is the value of, let's label this place V. With what we now have here, we need to find the value of this angle here, VQR. So, VQR will be equal to 180 degrees minus 125 degrees, giving us 55 degrees. And the reason is that they are angles on a straight line. Angles on a straight line. So if VQR is equal to 55 degrees, there is a relationship there between QRW, that is this angle here, and it is that these two angles are alternate. So QRW is equal to VQR, and that's equal to 55 degrees. The reason is that they are alternate angles. The next thing we need to do here is to get the value of this angle WRS, because this angle R is a combination of this angle and this angle, and we have found this to be 55 degrees, so we need to get this. Before we can get this angle WRS, we again need to relate it with this angle here, so we need to split this 80 degrees into 2 in such a way that the line we are drawing here is parallel to the line UT here. So if line UT is parallel to this line, it means there is a relationship between the angles formed here and the angles that is now formed here. So let's label this one XY. With this, we can have angle TSY. So angle TSY here is related to angle UTS or STU. So we have over there angle TSY is equal to STU, and that is equal to 44 degrees. That is alternate angles. So this angle has been found to be 44 degrees. And if here is 44 degrees, we need to get angle RSY, because RSY, which is this angle, plus TSY, which is this angle, gives us angle X. So for us to get angle RSY, we are going to do this. RSY equal to, we are going to subtract TSY from 80 degrees. That's 80 degrees minus TSY that has been found to be 44 degrees. So that will give us 36 degrees. Okay? This place is 36 degrees. And having found this angle to be 36 degrees, there is a relationship between this angle and this angle. And it is that they are alternate angles. So we have that WRS is equal to 36 degrees. That is, we have WRS, it's equal to, we have RSY, and that's equal to 36 degrees. Reason, alternate angles. So with what we now have here, angle WRS has been found to be 36. Angle QRW has been found to be 55 degrees. So it means angle R here is equal to 55 degrees plus 36 degrees. And that's equal to 91 degrees. So the angle R that we are asked to find here is equal to 91 degrees.